And then we go into class 8. So class 8 is a laboratory or a factory. So this is where they're actually producing something. Could be handicrafts, trade, sale, or gain. It may include assembly, alterating, repairing, finishing, or packing, or cleaning of goods or produce. Okay, so there's actually work or production happening in a class 8 building. We then go into class 9. So class 9 is classified as healthcare. So think of a hospital, and the reason it has its own classification is that in a healthcare building and a hospital, you sometimes have people that are incapacitated, whether they've been knocked out for surgery, or they're just in coma or whatever. They just can't physically move in an emergency under their own steam. So even if you had like a day surgery where they actually put people to sleep for certain procedures, it could be classified as a 9A building. All right, so just don't think hospital. There are other cases.